Look, down there.
What is it? An ark?
What is an ark?
I, who know everything, don't know that.
The madman Noah says that it is a boat.
If it were a boat, what good would it be? There is no river in Horlath.
Old Noah says that God is going to destroy the world with a flood.
Why would I, God King of Horlath, want to destroy the world?
Not you, O divine Ularat. Those people believe in a faceless God who lives in the sky.
A God who lives in the sky? His whole family is an insult to me. And so is that great ark they have built. I think I will destroy it.
Oh, Divine One, when you do, give old Noah and his sons to me, that I may kill them with my own hands.
It is done. But you must make them suffer first, Pycon. And I, myself, will lead all of Horlath to the place where that monstrous, ugly ark boat mocks my godliness.